morning, classmates and Miss Govaya. Today we will show you a brief tutorial on how to find the standard deviation, the quartiles, the mean, median, and mode, the minimum and maximum value, and also the variance from a set of data.
Over here, I am going to talk about the standard deviation and quartiles. So what is the importance of standard deviation? Standard deviation shows whether the data are close to the average or whether the data are spread out over a wide range. And how would you find the standard deviation? First of all, click on a blank cell and then type in the formula of the standard deviation, which is equals, and then S E D E D in all capital letters. Again, close and open parenthesis, and inside the close and open parenthesis, you are going to place the values that you need. Now we're going to talk about the quartiles. Quartile is the values that divides a list of numbers into quarters. It represents the value for which 25% of the data is below quartile 1 and the value for which 25% of the data is above quartile 3. Quartile 2 is the same as the median. Quartile 1 is also the same as the lower quartile, quartile 2, middle quartile, and just as I mentioned, it's also the median. And quartile 3 is the upper quartile. Now, how are we going to find the quartile? First, click on a blank cell and then type in the formula of quartile, which is equals QUARTILE. Once again, don't forget that it has to be all in capital letter, and don't forget the equal sign and the parenthesis. Inside the parenthesis, there are two types of information you have to put in order to get the quartile. These are the array and the quart, which in this case, the array is cell A2 to cell 18. Array is just basically the cell range. Then let's put the comma before the quart. Quart is the required quartile. It will be either quartile 1, quartile 2, or quartile 3. Here we're going to use quartile 1. After that, you can hit enter, and that's your quartile.
The mean, median, and mode are all measures of a central tendency, which means they are all just the ways to find the average of a set of data that you are given. I will be explaining the importance and the steps to find mean, median, and mode. Mean is also known as the average. To find the mean manually, add up all the given data and divide it by the number of data entries. With the Excel, click on a formula bar and type equal average, open bracket, array, close bracket. Press enter to complete the formula bar, and the mean of your number will appear in the cell. Median is the middle number. To find the median, arrange the number in order from lowest to highest, and then you find the middle number by crossing off the numbers until you reach the middle number. Using Excel, click on a formula and type equal median, open bracket, array, close bracket. Press enter to complete the formula, and the median of your set of number will appear in the cell. Mode is the number which appears most often in a set of number. To find the mode, using Excel, click on a formula bar and type equal mode, open bracket, array, close bracket. Press enter to complete the formula, and the mode of your set of number will appear in the cell.
The variance is a very important data piece. It measures how far a set of numbers is spread out. A variance of 0 indicates that all the values are identical. A small variance indicates that a data point tend to be very close to the mean, hence to each other, while a high variance indicates that the data points are very spread out around the mean and from each other. Also, variance will always have a positive value. In order to find the variance, click the formula bar, enter the equal sign, type VAR, open bracket, enter the array, close bracket, and click enter. After that, the variance will show on a cell. The maximum value is the highest value on the data, while the minimum value is the lowest value on the data. Sometimes one of them could be the outlier. An outlier is a value that is situated away from the rest of the data, which could potentially affect the final conclusion of the data because it could make the data unreliable. In order to find the maximum value, click the formula bar, enter the equal sign, type max, open bracket, type the array, close bracket, and press enter. The maximum value will then show on the blank cell. And in order to find the minimum value, again go to the formula bar, type an equal sign, enter MIN or min, open bracket, the array, close bracket, and click enter. And there you have it.